Yeah, good day everybody, good day my people. Quick one, like the last video I make the other time, I talk about Igbos and Yoruba, Igbos living in Lagos. I advise them for those that want to hear. Now there's a trending story of years since day before yesterday about one MC Olomo, one Yoruba Aboro, MC Olomo, threatening Igbos in Lagos not to come out and vote. That's on Saturday, which is the election day today, not to come out and vote. Now I want you to understand something. If you are reasonable, if you have sense, you know what is going on. I will show the videos here. Don't worry, watch it to the end. I will show the video. Make sure you share this post. Please share it. Share it. Now, let's watch this video first.
Please, if you don't want vote for us, please sit down for sit down for thank you very much. I got the
I hope you have watched the video. You have seen how this guy is threatening Igbos in Lagos. You see how you see everything he talk. Most of you that can understand Yoruba, you can hear what this guy was saying about Igbo. Now I want you to watch this second video too. This one is after doing the video and the video started going viral online. People start talking about the video. Now this is what the guy doing his next action. This is what I've been telling you. We are the problem to ourselves. Now the guy go and recruit one Igbo woman to come and defend him and saying that this is a joke. We are just joking. He didn't mean it. He's just joking. Is this a joke? Let's watch this woman for this Igbo woman.
Good afternoon, all my brothers, my sister. Orúkọ mi ni Alhaji Musila Akisoya. Meeting tí mo lọ ní àná bí sister mi ló ṣe jẹ́ ìyá Ṣúkúdì. Òun lèmi ń bá wí nígbẹ̀yìn pé ìyá Ṣúkúdì tó bá ti mọ̀ pé ó dìbò fún mi jókòó sílé next mo kàn rí lórí social media. Táà ní pé everything on sọ pé MC please I'm always on peace. The bá dẹ̀ wo Lagos State yìí Lagos State peace wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n ẹ̀ tí máa fi sọ wípé ok má jáde láti wá dìbò ok tó bá jáde wá dìbò báwo la ṣe fẹ́ ní fóòtù tí APC wá ṣe máa ní fóòtù báwo ni Igbo ṣe ní dìbò fún àwọn APC àbí Hausa ṣe ní dìbò fún àwọn APC is my party ẹ káàtì mi kú òun ọ̀rọ̀ tí ẹ̀ ń gbé káàkiri yẹn ẹni tí mo dẹ̀ ń bá wí níbẹ̀ ó wà meeting ètò náà kò ṣe lọ tètè lọ pé wá pé ìyá Ṣúkúdì ó ti sọ wípé mo ní pé kó má jáde o ẹ ti understand sí ẹni yẹn dẹ̀ wà lọ́dọ̀ mi ń bí ìyá Ṣúkúdì kọ́ mo talk your own o.
Now my brother na me be the mama Chukwudi wey dem dey talk of o I thank God say na I be celebrity o because na from me MC dey always buy indomie and he dey buy indomie and he dey from time to time no be now don tey wey dey buy these things and he dey even talk and say mama Chukwudi e don tey wey I see you if you no go come vote for me no come I come tell am say my brother I go come and I go vote for you but when my daughter come bring am say mommy see for social media I surprise o I surprise but thank God say na small thing dey make person celebrity thank God say me sef I don become celebrity o my people una ndewo o. Igbo mụrụ nze mụọ ọzọ ekele m Igbo mụrụ nze mụọ ọzọ asị m ya dịrị nnọọ onye chiri nke ochi ya dịrịla ya mma ana m asị ọkwa mbụ mama Chukwudi MC na-ekwu okwu ya o ọ na-ego m ahịa from time to time ọ na-ego m indomie ọ na-ego m ihe ndị ọzọ dị iche iche otego si na-ego m ahịa ọ na-ego m ahịa otego otu nwa nwaanyị bịara si m na mọmi na o wepụrụ ihe a hụrụ na soshal midia mbịazie ka m bịa hụ na ihe ọ gwara m wụ ihe ọzọ ihe m fụrụ na soshal midia ọ bụrụ ihe ọzọ dịka ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m ọwụkwa otu ahụ ka ọ dị ọmụnwa ka ọ na-agwa ndewo unu ewela iwe ọwụkwa otu ahụ ka MC shiri n'ime ya.
Ndewo ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi màmá tí mo dárúkọ ní meeting pé ìyá Ṣúkúdì tó bá ní fóòtù fún mi má wọlé èmi ń jókì ní o mo tẹ́tẹ́ ní ìbò kankan o ẹ lọ bèrè lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn Ìgbò mi lóṣòdì pátá kẹ lọ wádìí níbẹ̀ wọ́n máa sọ fún yín pé mi ò tẹ́tẹ́ èèyàn kankan ìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ta ṣe tán yẹn gan ẹ ti understand sí gbogbo èèyàn pàtẹ lóṣòdì ẹ lọ bèrè ṣóyè yín sí ẹ má kàǹtì ọ̀rọ̀ mi ọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀ báyìí ẹ gbé gbogbo èyí tó kù díẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ rọra short lẹ́dẹ̀ gbé sáyé pọ̀tọ́ lọ́wọ́ máa ṣọ́ wa lọ́wọ́ ẹni àfojúfẹ́ ni má fọkàn fẹ́ ni thank you ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ jáde ẹ̀yin fóòtì fún wa APC àwa la lè ṣe Sanwó-Olú second time ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run both Igbo Hausa gbogbo yín please vote for us thank you.
After watching this Igbo woman video right now, you will know that this is we are useless. We don't have sense. After watching this video, you realize that we don't have sense. How much did they give this woman right now for her to come out and talk all this rubbish she's talking? Okay, after this one own, let's watch police in Lagos. The police in Lagos. What police in Lagos have to say about this issue? A whole police command come and defend himself that he was just joking. He didn't mean it. Are you kidding me? Do you think that if an Igbo man talk this thing, that police will come and defend the Igbo man, say that he was just joking? As an Igbo man, if you don't have sense now. Let's watch this policeman first.
I want to address that issue in two folds. One, if somebody is saying you should not come out to vote, we operate secret ballots. If I'm going out to go and vote, and somebody is saying, "Are you voting for me?" I say yes. And I get to the booth, I print another party. I'm not going to show anybody my ballot paper. Nobody is knowing what I've done. Nobody is knowing the person I voted for. That is by the way. The second thing is, this evening I think the person involved, MC Oluoma himself, I saw a video again with one, is it Mama Chidima, Mama, one Igbo woman too, that whose name was mentioned in his video, this bunking that threat, that it is not true, it's just a joke, and he's joking to a particular, he's making a joke with a particular woman, and the woman too came up to say it is not so, they are just throwing banters and it's a joke. So let us take it for a joke, like you said.
Now, I believe you have seen everything the policeman talk about the whole situation. You have seen it. Now it's like, oh, yeah, it have opened your eyes what is going on. It have opened your eyes what is going on. I'm just advising you. I don't think that this Nigeria is not made for us. It's high time we start telling ourselves the truth. This Nigeria is not made for. There's nothing good that will favor Igbo man in Nigeria. Now I begin to understand why Nnamdi Kanu was shouting and crying for liberation. Can you imagine? Okay, look at this Yoruba that are talking about where we have this Lagos. People want to collect Lagos from us. People want to take over Lagos from us. Now see how Lebanese are just giving them palliative. They are begging the Lebanese for palliative. Just nonsense grocery. They are begging. Look at them. Watch the video first. Watch it. Have you watched the video? Before I was thinking that the Yorubas they are the most intelligent people in Nigeria, but now I know that they don't have sense. They don't have sense. Look at them begging, jumping up and down, begging for Indomie election. The Lebanese, you, the Lebanese. These people are giving that the Lebanese. Do you know that island in Lagos? I don't think that the Yoruba people that live in island in Lagos is more than 20. They don't even have money to buy any land there. They just live in slum. It's only Lebanese, Chinese, Igbos that live in Ireland. They are just online making mouth, talking nonsense. Rubbish people. Talking nonsense online. Look at it. You see it? Do you watch it? You watch it. Look at how they're begging. They're begging. We are Lagos. We are Lagosians. We are Lagos. We are Yoruba. Nonsense. Let them go and die for hell. And let me use the opportunity to divide here again. As an Igbo youth, you are. As an Igbo boy, you are. Don't allow this thing. This now our fathers and brothers are suffering now. For you to suffer it. If you get money to do anything, do your investment in Igbo land. Do your investment in Igbo land. Any place that across the river Niger, even Delta State, no do. Delta State, no do your investment there. Because as it happen for Lagos, it don't happen for Port Harcourt. Everybody know. After for Port Harcourt, it don't happen for Lagos. They see them now. Some useless people go still go to Edo State, Benin, go they build house. Tomorrow you come the chat online. We not tell you. So as these people that suffer them for Lagos now, and their business, it not concern us. It not concern we will get sense at the time. It not concern us. But if you want get sense, you will get sense. You will be one boy. If they say told you, go Igbo land, go establish yourself. Before you go grow there. You know people when they grow that side. You go grow there. I mean they tell you. Let me say you go find all your money, put them for Lagos, build your mansion, build everything. Maybe before you wake up tomorrow morning, they don't scatter everything. You go. All those people now they burn their house, they burn their shop for that market. Now, many of them will be in the village. Many of them are going back to the village empty-handed. If you want get sense, you get sense. If you don't want get sense, they go use you the child. Thank you. Please share this video. Please share.